everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can track your Cash App card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, first of all, go ahead, open up your Cash App, make sure you're signed in as well. Now tap on this little cash icon in the bottom, and then you will get this kind of interface. You can see this option of account and settings. Simply go ahead, scroll on to the bottom and tap on this option of support as highlighted, and then afterwards simply go ahead again, tap on this option of something else in the bottom, and from the options go ahead, tap on this option of cash card on top. Now from right over here, simply again scroll on to the bottom, again tap on this option of contact support at last, and then go ahead, tap on this option of not about transaction as highlighted. Then you will finally reach the section of talk to support. Go ahead, tap on this chat at the bottom, then simply go ahead, chat with the online agent of the online support of the Cash App itself. Go ahead, write down your message about not being able to track your Cash App card, and they will let you know what they can do and what you have to do further to solve it. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.